Hey guys, so this is just a video to show you how we do viewings on properties. So here is a property right here, and the first thing that we do is we start right at the top of the roof up here, and we look at these are called hip tiles up here, these are called ridge tiles down here, and look at this entire bit of the roof here to make sure that it's all in good order. We want to make sure that there's no leaks, there's no bits that are uneven, and a great way to do it is to look at the neighbouring properties to see if they've had their roof done and we haven't had our roof done. Then we probably do need to get our roof done at some point in the next couple of years. The next thing we look at is that chimney over here. Make sure the pointing on that is good. Make sure these LED flashings, which are these grey bits underneath at the bottom of the chimney, are all great, in good condition. And then look at this gutter line as well, and to the side as well, to make sure that the gutter is also in good condition. We then work our way down the face of the house, looking at the brickwork or the pebble dashing, whatever finish there is, looking at the windows, making sure that they're double glazed, seeing if there's any windows that need to be changed out, looking at the external sills underneath the windows as well to make sure whether those need to be changed out. Then looking at the bay window, the roof of the bay window, which we can see from this window when we look out. We then look at this roof over here if we can see any signs of disrepair that we need to fix. We look at the front door, and as I go closer you'll see we're looking at this front window, and then eventually as we work ourselves down to this bottom line, the front garden as well, to see if there's anything work that we need to do. You can see on this property over here we need to do some work to the front garden. We've also got a front wall which looks pretty solid, but there is some gardening required. This property also has a driveway and there's no work required to the driveway. Let's go in and see how we do the rest of the viewing.